Welcome to the Ngozi Cadmus show. Give us a round of applause. My name is Ngozi Cadmus and I am a mental health and leadership expert. I represent the average woman and equip women of faith to walk in their divine calling, master their thoughts and love themselves so that they can level up spiritually, mentally and financially. So thank you for stopping by. We are going to have so much discussion on a number of topics, from leadership to business to financial progress to building generational wealth, breaking generational trauma, some controversial topics I might add, some deeply and highly revelations from the Most High. But this is all about bridging the conversation between faith, entrepreneurship, and leadership. I want you to listen or watch me while you're driving to work or driving to school or picking up the children, while you're cleaning or while you're getting ready for a date or, a cup of coffee with some friends. I want you to listen, take notes, meditate on the things that's being said, study the things that are being said. This is a testimony of the fact that God has not forsaken me. God has wanted me to speak for a very long time, and I can imagine that many of you listening feel, who, me? And God is saying, yes, you. And I'm like, it couldn't be. Then who? Right? That is what the Lord has been saying to me for a very long time. He believes that I've got a message, that my voice is unique, and it needs to be shared. I now believe that too, but it took me a very long time to be here. So this is a testimony for me to be here, for me to share my voice with you, and for me to speak on matters that I'm passionate about and help people, really, really help those that I'm called to serve, which is women of faith, which is women who love God, who desire to build his kingdom and want to manifest his glory in their unique way, right? But just maybe lack confidence or unsure or doubt themselves or find it difficult to embrace their calling. I've been there. I have been there, worn a t-shirt. Now I'm on the other side and I want to teach you guys how you can, despite the fear, embrace God's call and walk in your assignment, walk in purpose, fulfill your destiny and master your gifts and monetize your healing gifts. Yeah, so it's going to be an amazing journey, if I may say so myself, because I'm a little bit funny. I can make you laugh. I definitely can provoke thought and conversation. So send this to your girlfriends. Fellas, if you listen to this or stumble upon this, send this to your wife, your sisters, your mothers, like anyone that you know that will be blessed at the sound of my voice. So it's been a pleasure. It has been a pleasure and it will be a pleasure to serve every single one of you. Join me on this journey. Watch this space. Let's keep hope alive. Listen to this amazing podcast with me. So yes, I cannot wait to see you very soon. Take care. This is the Ngozi Cadmus show. Over and out. I always wanted to say that.